Hey guys, welcome back to Carrosserie Prisme. Today there's three things I want to show you. First of all, we're gonna go have a look on a Bmw 440i that had little scratches on the front right side if I'm not wrong. Then we're gonna go have a look at a Dodge Grand Caravan that's here for some warranty work, and also he wanted to fix a little dent on the side. We'll go have a look at that. After all, we're gonna go have a look at a Promaster that's around 2500 if I'm not wrong. We'll go have a look at that. That one is a big accident. Probably a lot of mechanical work to do on it. Let's jump straight to it. Follow me.
Perfect.
So this is the Bmw 440i. This car was scraped on the side here. We don't really have the details of this car. We don't know how it got scraped. But so basically what's going on is that it was scraped all the way up here and on the bottom of the bumper. Might as well fix the bumper. The client wanted us to paint the whole bumper out. So you guys will get to see the footage of this a little later. For this one, we had to send out the fender. We had to send it out to make it look very nice. Why we're only sending one panel is that for this specific car, this specific color, we don't have to color match it with anything, so it's gonna blend in very nice. You'll see that at the end. Let me show you the bumper. So this is the bumper of the Bmw 440. So as you can see here, this side here was where the scrape was, right over here or here somewhere, I think. And basically, you can see now there's no more scratches, no more nothing. It was all sanded down and primed down. So after this, you're only gonna see the painting of this, and we'll get on this soon. Okay guys, so this is the Grand Caravan. So the Grand Caravan came here for a little warranty repair for the hood. So that's why we have the hood removed on this car. So basically he had a little specks of rust on the hood and he didn't like it because it was actually gonna form and spread even larger. Might as well be here to do the hood. He wanted us to fix a dent on the other side on the fender. So if you would follow me on this side, right here under here, you could see the client probably hit something big because the paint chipped off, and as you can see there's a dent inwards. So for this car, what we're gonna do a little update here and there with the videos that are coming. You remember, you guys, how we did with the, I think it was a Jeep Wrangler. So yeah, that's it. You'll see this car more often than you. Okay guys, this is a Promaster I was talking to you guys about. So basically this Promaster just came in a couple of, yesterday? I think it came yesterday. And the problem with this one is smashed, as you can see. So what happened here, this is actually one of our clients. First time we see him here. This guy actually buys cars off the auction that are probably VGA like this. And he wants to fix them and sell them and make a little money. You know, that's a good way to make money. But there's a lot of work, a lot of risk going into it. So let me just show you what's up with this. So this one here, close to the frame, we can see here it's all bent. this little piece here is supposed to be here, so we can discuss seeing on the other side that this is the big part where it took the hit, okay? So let's move a little on the other side. Here we have the rad that's scrapped. Here we have a lot of things that are not at their place where they should be. Here on this side, everything looks pretty good. There's a little trim piece right there that's missing. If not, I already went and checked out the back of this car. The back of this car looks very nice. So most of the damage will be in front. Although here at Carrosserie Prisme, we're only gonna do the bodywork on this one. Maybe a little mechanical stuff, but we'll have a mechanic come check it out to see if there's anything wrong with it. Thanks for watching. Okay guys, right before we wrap this up, just a little tip. When you guys come here to visit us, we have a little nice office here that you guys can come talk to the advisor here. We have these two nice chairs where you can have a seat, talk to the guys, see what we can do for you guys. So you guys are always welcome here. Come ask questions, do estimates. It's not going to cost you anything to do the estimates if you're doing the jobs here anyways. So that's it for today. You guys, please, if you like the video, leave a like downstairs, subscribe and press the bell button to get more notifications. Thanks for watching, see you next time.